How to connect Google Home to Roku TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how can you connect Google Home to Roku TV. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you need to ensure your Roku device is connected to your TV and turned on. After which, you will need to download and install the Google Home app onto your smartphone or the tablet. You'll need a Roku account as well, and make sure both your devices are connected to the same connections or a Wi-Fi network. Now to begin with, you want to open up the Google Home app and log into your account. As you log in, click on the plus icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. On the next field, scroll down a bit and click on Set Up Device. And as you click that, you could actually go ahead and look for it. Now here, what you need to do is go with Work with Google. And as you do it so, then click on the next button after you've read all of these. Once you do it so, you want to select the particular device and then click on the yes button if you're sure about it, or if you see the code onto your device or onto your TV. After which, you want to go to this terms and conditions, so click on I agree. Once you've actually done it so, click on yes, I'm in. As you do it, then you want to go ahead and select where is this device and click on the next button. And once again, you want to make sure to select the particular Wi-Fi connection you're connected to, select it out and click on the next button. As you've done it so, you could actually use the password option or just click on next, and moving on, you'll have successfully made it so. So this is the simplest way you could actually go ahead and connect Google Home to Roku TV. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.